Well, hi there, friends. Welcome back. I'm so happy that you're here. The recipe that I'm sharing with you today is a delicious yet healthy recipe that's very easy to make. This delectable stuffed tenderloin is bursting with flavors and loaded with wholesome ingredients. It's the perfect entree for anyone seeking a low-carb, keto-friendly option. So whether you choose to bake it in the oven or use the air fryer, this dish is sure to impress everyone's taste buds, and it's going to fit seamlessly into your dietary preferences. So come on along as I walk you through the steps of getting this unbelievably simple meal on the table in a very short amount of time. We're going to begin this recipe by placing your tenderloin on a clean, dry surface and cutting down one side. The goal here is to butterfly the tenderloin and not cut completely through. Once you're finished cutting, spread your tenderloin out flat and cover it with saran wrap or wax paper. Grab a meat mallet or rolling pin and pound the meat out evenly to a 1/2 inch thickness. This is going to allow your tenderloin to cook evenly. Alright, now let's grab our first ingredient, which is chive and onion spreadable cream cheese. You're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons depending on the size of your tenderloin. The goal here is to spread a thin, even layer covering the entire surface of the meat. Next, add a 1/2 cup of feta cheese crumbles. Grab a healthy handful of spinach and spread it evenly on top of the cream cheese. I actually usually add the seasonings to the cream cheese before adding the spinach, but since I forgot to do it here, I'm adding it now. So you're going to add around 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of your favorite savory spice blend. I'm using Montreal steak seasoning. And use as much as you prefer, but do keep in mind that most of our seasoning will be added to the outside once we roll everything up. And finally, add cubed ham or sliced ham on top of your spinach. And then we're going to top everything off with about a 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. And I love using mozzarella in this recipe. It really doesn't matter what order you put these in, as long as you get it all in there. Okay, now it's time to start rolling. You're going to start on one side and begin rolling while trying to keep all of your ingredients inside as much as possible. Now secure it all with the toothpicks using a crisscross pattern. If you're using the oven, place the tenderloin in a baking dish and bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 375 degrees. You're going to cook this until your pork reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using the air fryer, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees and you're going to air fry for 20 to 25 minutes or until cooked through. So what side dishes do you think would complement this stuffed tenderloin? Please share your suggestions with us in the comments below. Allow the tenderloin to rest for a few minutes before slicing. This step helps lock in the juices and the flavors. In my opinion, the creamy texture of the cream cheese paired with the savory ham and the freshness of the spinach, all wrapped in this succulent pork tenderloin, is an amazing keto or gluten-friendly option. Please give this recipe a big thumbs up if you agree. Well, thanks for being here today, friends. I truly appreciate you, and I can't wait to hear from you in the next one. Bye!